Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you how to add and share a file using your Google Drive, right? So the first thing that you want to do is just open up any browser that you have. It could be Chrome, it could be Firefox, it could be Opera, it could be whatever, right? Whichever browser you're using, and you want to log in to your Google account. So you want to go to google.com and you want to log into your Google account. Now once you're logged in, you will see a page just like this, right? You'll go to google.com and you will see a page like this. And if you're using Edge, you will have a page just like this, right? So all you have to do is just go to the top right hand side where you have the Google apps. It's right beside your account and you will see these apps. So you want to click on the apps, and here you'll find a bunch of options, guys. And here you will see Drive. Now, so you want to go ahead and click on Drive, and you'll be taken into your Google Drive here. Now, by default, it's on home, but you want to go ahead and click on My Drive. Now, once you're in My Drive, you will see folders that you create, and you will also see files, right? Now, I like to be organized, and I like to put my files in folders. So you can do the same, or you can just simply go ahead and upload a file here. Now, to add a file here, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is just go ahead and drag a file, and I'm going to show you how to do both ways, right? So let me go ahead and find something in my downloads folder. It can be anything. Here's a simple file, guys. I'm going to drag the file here, and you will see that the file is loading here, and the file is done, and the file is uploaded. Now once this is done, all you have to do, just go ahead and right click on it, and you will be able to find share here, and you can simply click share. You can copy the link, or you can share it with someone, and you can just basically add your email address here. And once you add the email address, you will be able to give them various rights. So I'm going to just choose somebody random, it doesn't matter, and I will just basically show you that you can give them edit rights, view rights, or comment, or whichever, right? And then once you do it, just simply click send, and they will receive an email, and they will be able to use the file, they will be able to see the file, right? Now I'm going to simply just go ahead and cancel this, and I'm going to delete the file. Now this is a good information for you too. You can also delete files by right click on it, move to trash, and it will be in your trash, and you can delete it forever, right? Now to create a folder is pretty easy. You see that I have some folder here. All you have to do is just simply right click here, and you will see create folder. Just simply go ahead and create a folder, and I will name this folder test, and I will just simply click create, and here you'll just find the folder now that is created. Now, if you would like to give someone access to the folder itself so that they can see everything within the folder, then you want to give them folder rights. So you want to simply right click on the folder, and you go to share, and you add the person. Again, you will basically add your email address, and you will give them the rights, right? Editing rights, or you can give them viewing rights, etc. You remember the rights, yeah? So you just simply go ahead and do it like that. Now, you can always add files within the folder, and you can just simply go ahead and add those files within the folder by simply dragging them as well. Be mindful that if you don't want them to have access to everything within the folder, then you need to give them rights to file rights. Let's say you want to give them rights to the file, so you just basically need to right click on the files and basically give them access to the files by simply clicking share, add your email address, and you simply want to give them the rights to the file that you want them to have. However, if you would like to give them rights to the entire folder so that you don't have to go back again and give them access to each file, then you want to give them rights from the folder level. So you just want to go ahead and right click on the file, go to share, then give them access to it from the folder by simply adding their email address. And whatever you add inside the file, they will be able to get rights to view or to edit the file automatically based on the level or privilege, let's say, that you give to them. And that's how easy it is to add or share a file with someone within the Google Drive. Now guys, I really hope you found some value within this video, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like, and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, I'm Andrew. Welcome to Drew Tutorial. And feel free to join the community. It's absolutely free. Just simply click the subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when I release another video just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.